Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. So how is your speaking practice going? I hope my series is helping you with new topics related to vocabularies, phrases, and a small script for shadowing to practice English speaking. Well, today is Mother's Day and I have taken this topic today that I'm going to speak on Mother's Day today. So you can also take up this topic. You can also speak about your mother. You can in fact record it and send it to your mother, or prepare a card and write all these things in the card and send it to her. She will definitely feel very special and very happy with this gesture. So let's start with Mother's Day today. I'm going to talk about related vocabularies, phrases, and then I'll come up with a small script which you can shadow with me. Okay, so let's talk about the vocabulary first. The first word is Mother's Day. A special day to honor mothers. Next, love. Strong feeling of care. Mothers always love us, right? Now guys, here when I speak about the vocabulary, when I take a word and tell you the meaning, you can also come up with a new sentence on your own. Like I'm also coming up with a sentence. You can also come up with a new sentence on your own. So this is your task. You can start practicing in this way to come up with new sentences with the vocabulary. Okay. Mother's love is eternal. Respect. Showing honor and value. We all respect our mothers. Gift or present. Something given to show love. My daughter has prepared a lot of gifts for me. Next, flowers. Roses, lilies or bouquets. So you can give flowers also to your mom. Card, a written message of love. As I told you, you can just think about what you want to write about your mother, what you want to tell her which you have never told her. So take this initiative, make a card or buy a card, write something on your own and send it to her. Celebration, a happy event. You can also celebrate it by sending her gifts, flowers and a cake. Family. Parents, children together. Right? Mothers take care of our family. Special meal. Lunch or dinner for mothers. You can take your mother out for dinner or lunch. You can prepare something good for your mama. Right? Next is memories. Happy moments together is called memories. So these are some vocabularies which we use to talk about Mother's Day. Basically, Mother's Day is also a celebration. So we celebrate it. What we do on Mother's Day is we give presents or gifts, flowers, probably a nice lunch or dinner. That is why these simple vocabularies will help us to talk about Mother's Day. Okay, nothing specific, nothing fancy. Now let's get to the phrases. What phrases we can use to talk about Mother's Day? We celebrate Mother's Day in May. Yeah, we celebrate Mother's Day in May. Next, I gave my mother flowers and a card. I gave my mother flowers and a card. Now what you can do here is you can repeat these phrases after me or you can shadow with me, right? So that it will be easier for you to start speaking with these phrases. It's easier for you to start speaking with these phrases. We had a special family lunch. We had a special family lunch. Or we went out for lunch or dinner for Mother's Day, right? Next. Mother's Day is a time to thank our mothers. Mother's Day is a time to thank our mothers. Now, there are a lot of other thoughts also which you will get while talking about Mother's Day. Very specific also, like regarding your mom, you will remember something which you still remember. You'll remember some memories and you can talk about it also, right? So you can write some personal messages here as well. I love my mother very much. So these are very general basic sentences or phrases which we can use to talk about Mother's Day. As I told you, you can be specific also. You can just take up something and you can speak about it, some specific memories which you have and you want to highlight that, right? How she took care of you, what difficulties she faced while taking care of you and her career. So all these things you need to talk about, right? So what kind of difficulty or challenges she faced during your upbringing and managing her career, etc., etc. There are lots of things you remember, you know things, right? So you can just talk about it here. Now let's come to the third part, which is the script. So here what you have to do is you have to start shadowing with me, right? I will speak about Mother's Day here. And what you have to do is after every sentence, you can pause my video and you can just try to speak the whole sentence. And then once you are familiar with the sentence or comfortable with speaking the sentence, you can just try to speak along with me. Okay, so this will be a shadowing practice. It is actually going to help you with the tone, intonation, rhythm, pronunciation, and how to speak English, right? And this is going to help you with your muscle movement as well. Okay, so let's start. Today I want to talk about Mother's Day. It is a special day to show love and respect to our mothers. On Mother's Day, I gave my mother flowers and a small gift. We spent time together and had a nice family meal. Mother's Day is important because it reminds us to thank our mothers for their love and care, or for their care and love. I felt very happy to celebrate this day with my family. So this was a very general script which I spoke about, right? Now, as I told you, you can be specific also. You can just talk about some memories which you just remember about your mother and you want to share it with her. We do, right? We do talk about it. If we talk about these memories, it will make our mothers also very happy. Like, for example, I remember during my childhood, I loved to eat samosas. So whenever my mom used to go out for shopping, she used to ask me, what should I bring for you? And I always used to tell her, I want to eat samosa. So whenever she came back, she used to bring samosas for me every time she went for shopping. So this is something I remember till date. Like whether it is afternoon, evening, whatever time it is, she has to bring samosas for me. So this is something specific which I want to talk to her about it. I want to remind her, I used to ask you to bring samosas and you used to get samosas for me every time when you went out for shopping. So this is how you can just talk about if your mother cooks something for you every time, or if there's anything else you can talk about, just try to speak up in this way. So guys, Mother's Day is very special. Try to thank your mother, appreciate her and make her happy. So guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.